Identify areas where paint and tape can't. Brady's LED sign and line projectors let you mark the unmarkable. Define spaces on uneven, dirty, and wet floors with no surface prep. Project safety in heavily trafficked areas. And avoid the damage, fading, and reinstallation of disposable tapes or paint. Or add to the professionalism of your facility with crisp, vibrant markings. Bold, line color options provide a clear, safe path through your facility. Choose from a wide variety of impactful, multicolor signs and imagery, and easily swap them out as your needs change and evolve in a fraction of the time it takes to replace traditional markings. Brady's LED projectors are water and dust proof and can operate in sub-zero temperatures. These projectors are built to last. Their all-metal construction manages heat with no fans or moving parts, and the replaceable LED provides bright identification for years. Make Brady LED sign and line projectors a part of your floor and area marking plan and mark the unmarkable.